While many people don't care about it, a clean engine bay is one of the most satisfying things in car detailing. We will show you how we do this at detailed.be. Please take note that during these steps, always try to avoid soaking the engine, especially the connector plugs and of course the battery. We start off with Car Essentials Engine Wash, a strong cleaner that will remove dirt, oil and grease with ease. Simply spray enough of the product onto the engine bay and process using a detailing brush. Make sure you pass by all the crevices and hard to reach spots. Also make sure you remove all larger particles like twigs and leaves in this step. Don't forget to pass by the inside of the hood too. Now rinse the hood with a high pressure washer. Move on to the engine bay without soaking the fragile parts as mentioned earlier. Next up, we will use a coating spray like Hydro Shield for the rubber and plastic parts and Hydro Speed for the paint job. Start off with Hydro Speed on the paint job. Spray the product directly onto the panel and process with a microfiber towel. Do the same with Hydro Shield onto the rubber and plastic parts in the engine bay and also process with a microfiber towel. You can now enjoy a crisp and clean engine bay. Thanks for watching. Until next time.